Hi, John again from Tiefenthaler Quality Meats in Holstein. Today we're preparing our marinated, boneless, seasoned pork loin roast. And if you have any questions about how to cook it, we have step-by-step instructions to give to you to make it real easy and enjoyable, and your whole family will love it. We've preheated our oven to 450 degrees, and then you do that for 10 minutes, then you turn it down to 250. We did the 450 for 10 minutes. Now we've turned our oven to 250 degrees. Depending on the size of the roast you have, we have 50 to 80 minutes so you can do some of your other preparations. After about 30 minutes, I like to insert my meat thermometer into the thickest part of the roast. We've reached our internal temperature of 150 degrees. Now we're going to tent it with aluminum foil for 10 minutes. You won't have to call anybody to the table when they smell this cooking. They'll come running. Tiefenthaler Quality Meats, bringing your family together.